Another day, another house. Andito pa rin tayo sa Solana, Zaragoza to show you the available house and lot units. Today, we're featuring the Natalia model. Perfect para sa mga naghahanap ng single detached property dito sa Sapalibutan, Angeles, Pampanga. This location offers easy access to major establishments such as Marque Mall, SM Clark, Clark International Airport, and the NLEX entrance. Kaya very convenient para sa mga future homeowners. In terms of size, the Natalia model has a lot area of 156 square meters and a floor area of 118 square meters. Kung priority mo ang bigger space for your family, it already comes with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, carport, and balcony. Fully finished na rin siya upon turnover. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng makikita ninyo dito sa model house except for the furniture and appliances ay kasama na, kaya livable na. For the price, the total contract price starts at 5.8 million pesos. Financing options are available through bank financing, in-house, deferred, cash, or spot cash. Reservation fee is only 50,000 pesos. At dahil mabilis mag-appreciate ang property value dito sa Angeles, Pampanga, owning a house and lot in Solana, Zaragoza is truly a wise investment for you and your family. If you prefer this Natalia model, comment how below para malaman kung paano ka makakapag-start dito sa Solana, Zaragoza. Thank you for joining this house tour and see you on the next one. Bye!